Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Volvo V70. The first thing you do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then you're watching out for a phone at the bottom here. From any screen on the system, click telephone. It's actually searching for the last phone, which is mine, otherwise it wouldn't know. Right, searching for previously connected phones. Well, I've deleted it, so it's not going to show anything up there. No phones connected. Connect with OK. Connect. Add phone. Search for devices with OK. OK. So watching out. It's a little bit complicated. It won't be as bad for you because you won't have just deleted your phone off the system to show somebody else how it works. There you go. Add device. It's showing my phone. So if I click OK there, the green bit at the top, enter following passcode in mobile phone 7892. So 7892 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Let's see where it's coming up. My Volvo car not connected yet. Successfully paired on the system and successfully paired on the phone now. That's that done.